Hello friends, welcome to this part of the video on Firebase API CRUD operation using Node.js and Express. And in this part, let's take a look at the Firebase API we just demoed. So here we have 5 routes. 1. Create document, get documents, then get documents with where clause, then update document and delete document, and then we export the router and we use that router here. So this is not very tough, it's a self-explanatory. So here from Insomnia we can see that in create document we send a body with JSON formatted, and that body is received here, okay, under create API create document. And then with the use of Firebase API create document, we create the document and just send the result back. So this is the result, the status and the record ID, or status 0 in case of error, and empty string. So this is for create document. Then get document, we don't need anything, we just get all the documents under user information and send it back. But you can have kind of this thing like get documents, let's say users, then get documents, let's say appointment, for example. Okay, you can have these kind of different routes, and according to that route you can fetch the information and send it back. Get all the documents with where clause. Here we again need a body, and we process this body. First get the body and get the keys from this body, and then pass it to the function of our Firebase API JS file, and then we just send back the result which we get from the API call. So this is again update document. It's self-explanatory. We get the body and we get the data from the body ID and whatever the updates are, and then we call the layer of the API we have created with the function on top of Firebase. And then the last one is delete document. Again, for the last time, we accept the body here, and we process the body, get the ID of the document, and we pass it to the function, wrapper function we have created on top of Firebase API. So this is how the API is going to look. See you in the next part of the video series. And if you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.